In this video, I'll show you how to accept a business account request on Facebook step by step. If someone has invited you to join their Meta business account, you can accept the invitation in just a few steps. First, open your web browser and sign in to the Facebook account that received the invitation. Check your email inbox for the invitation from Meta, or open Meta Business Suite and look for any pending invitations. Click Accept Invitation to continue. Review the business name and the permissions you've been assigned. Then click Accept to join the business account. If prompted, complete any required security checks, such as confirming your identity or entering a verification code. Once the invitation is accepted, you'll be able to access the assigned Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, or other business assets from Meta Business Suite. If you don't see the invitation, ask the business admin to resend it and make sure it was sent to the email address linked to your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.